Ensuring the integrity of welds in various metals is a critical task that demands cutting-edge technology. This is important for safety-critical components, especially in the automotive and aerospace industry, where the demand for weld inspection is increasing. Destructive testing is where weld samples are cut, then inspected for penetration and strength. Traditional methods of doing this cutting can cause inaccurate results and are often dangerous and time-consuming. Alliance Automation has the ideal and safe solution by using a 6-axis robotic abrasive waterjet system. This system offers unmatched accuracy, allowing for precise cutting without compromising the structural integrity of the metal. Unlike traditional methods that may generate excessive heat, altering the metallurgical properties, Waterjet does not alter these properties because it doesn't have HAZ or heat-affected zone. This is crucial for maintaining the true strength of the weld. Plasma cutting, for example, introduces heat stress to the metal, leading to potential distortions and alterations in the molecular structure. This can compromise the accuracy of the weld strength test. Bandsaw cutting can include multiple stages that require both additional time and materials, including polishing and acid etching to review the weld sample. Automating this with a robotic abrasive waterjet system simplifies the process down to one step. The robotic abrasive waterjet allows for accurate cutting of three-dimensional parts, which is difficult using traditional methods. Examples include cutting weld samples out of vehicle axles or battery trays. Spot weld coupons can also be cut, which are then peel tested for weld strength. Other than weld inspection, casted metal samples can also be cut out for inspection. These samples are turned on a lathe into a dog bone where they can be tensile tested for strength and proper casting. A robotic abrasive waterjet system can effortlessly cut through various metals, providing an all-encompassing solution. When it comes to checking weld strength for different metals, the abrasive waterjet cutting system stands out as the superior choice. Its precision, minimal heat impact, and versatility make it the go-to solution for ensuring the integrity of your welds. Contact Alliance Automation to discover the accuracy and precision of robotic abrasive waterjet cutting, where strength meets accuracy.